Hello everyone, it's Worka time. If your day's been overwhelming, you're in the right place. Let's relax, unwind, and dive into some simple methods to refresh your mind and improve productivity. Let's get started. Inexperience can put your life in danger, damage expensive equipment, and even make you look like a fool. Things can happen faster than you can imagine. Luckily, in this situation, he was not injured. This monster-like machine was devouring each bean without mercy. It moved steadily, precisely, and with astonishing efficiency. It was truly an impressive display of power. Requiring only one operator and a tractor, this technology can clean the entire site in just one pass. It not only saves time, but also significantly reduces labor costs. High efficiency has been proven in practice. This mower is designed to handle large areas quickly. With a 16-meter width and 23 cutting heads, it is powerful and efficient, a formidable competitor in any performance comparison. Before starting a new growing season, removing old vine stumps is a must. Not only does it clean up the area, it also improves the absorption of fertilizers and nutrients. This is the first step in the regeneration of the soil. If you are watching on television, don't forget to use your phone to like and subscribe to the channel. A small action, but very meaningful to us. This cute little machine quickly turns layers of cake and jam into sweet sandwiches in seconds. Upright freezers are ideal for freezing large quantities of food, helping to preserve quality and extend shelf life. Colorful candy bars are continuously pressed out by the molding machine, like a sweet carpet rolling on the conveyor belt, creating a visually captivating performance. Gentle movements, powerful results. This is the art of felling trees with an excavator. The Sportfix Carvario offers the ultimate solution for large-scale industrial woodworking workshops. With its ability to process large trunks and its automatic feeding system, it is truly outstanding. It is the ideal choice for businesses that need high performance. A seemingly simple tree felling left everyone heartbroken because of a technical error. Luck was on their side today, but don't count on it. In a world of machines and nature, skill is the best armor. This machine can easily swirl through thick ice, as if it were just stirring water. Thanks to drones, farmers can harvest and transport agricultural products on steep hills more easily than ever before. Smart technology is changing the way farmers tend their fields, more precisely and more efficiently. We appreciate your support through every view and like. Hope this video brings you a pleasant, relaxing feeling. Time to enjoy an impressive performance from a talented chef. This is definitely one of the strangest fruits you will ever come across. This is probably the fastest conveyor belt I have ever seen. Let's take a tour of the birthplace of these adorable dolls. This floor covering is not only excellent at waterproofing, but also very effective in reducing the risk of slipping when moving. I bet there is no construction contractor who doesn't love this ideal tool. This guy's dedication deserves a raise. If you think so, don't forget to like. With compact design and strong tightening force for easy operation, even in narrow spaces. I don't know exactly what these guys are doing, but I honestly can't help but say wow when I see how they work. With sharp blades and flexible handles, this tool is a great help in removing unwanted plants. With the power of a mechanical monster, this machine creates deep and even grooves in just minutes. Watch closely. I bet you'll be amazed by how fast he works. I'm really curious. What salary is enough to make you nod and step into that cabin? At that working speed, how many bricks do you think he can produce each day? In just seconds, the tire is completely sealed. This is a great way to ensure safety when transporting large quantities. With the help of this welding machine, anyone can become an expert in just a few minutes of operation. Harvesting barley with a chainsaw may sound strange, but it's undeniably effective. It was born to uproot trees, and nothing can stop it. Powerful and incredibly effective.
these moments have helped you relax after a long day at work. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.